Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to learn about how to disable Windows 10 updates permanently. And I mean permanently. This thing has worked for me before. I know that it's also going to work for you. So I'm going to hit on the Control R button on my keyboard and it's going to display the run window, and on this run window I'm going to type this command: services.msc, and I hit the enter button and this window will be displayed. On this window I'm going to search for Windows Update on the name column. Here it is, and as you see its status is already running, so I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit the stop button for me to disable the running status. It's already disabled. Now I'm going to disable the updates completely. I'm going to right click and hit on the properties, and on the startup type I'm going to choose the disabled option, and I'm going to apply the changes. Already applied. Then I'm going to hit OK, and as you see the startup type has turned to disable, meaning that your Windows updates have already been disabled. Thanks for watching. You can like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to comment for me to be able to know on which content I'm going to present to you in our next video.